Hello and welcome to FX for a Living. My name is David Oranzabal. Today is March the 25th, 2009. This is your daily London session video, the review of what happened in the start of the European session. Okay, today we're going to have a look to cable and we are going to see how we've got a winning trade very early this morning with a, I consider, very easy setup. Okay, first let's go to the 60-minute charts, and we can see that even when cable has been doing higher lows and higher highs, from yesterday we've got MACD divergence. So at the beginning of the European session we were expecting some move to the downside. Alright, let's go to the 5-minute charts, and I'm gonna explain how do I trade at the beginning of the European session. For me it's very important to draw the support of the resistance of the Asian session. For me the support of the Asian session is gonna be the low of the range between midnight and 7 o'clock GMT, and the resistance is gonna be the high of the same period of time. Alright, so we've got here these orange lines, resistance and support of the Asian session. Okay, we are gonna zoom in now to the 1-minute chart just to see how the price action took place. Alright, we've got here two vertical lines. This over here is the Frankfurt open at 7 o'clock GMT, and this one is London open at 8 o'clock GMT. Well, first of all, I got to say that we were expecting German E4 numbers this morning, and sometimes the news announcement expressed to other pairs. In concrete, sometimes when we get deviation in euro, we've got as well deviation or price move in cable, and that's what happened this morning. Okay, but first let's go very early in the morning at 7 o'clock GMT. Well, after 1-2 hours of getting higher highs, just before Frankfurt open we were getting lower highs and lower lows, and we got a breakout entry point just over here. This was a really good entry point for trying to profit, because we were considering, let's go back to the 60-minute charts, that we were expecting a downside move because of the MACD divergence. Alright, so this was our first entry point, and actually I took partial profit very fast around this level, but I let the other lots run. Alright, I'll talk about my money management techniques in another review, so stay tuned. Okay, the pair, it starts to rebound. That's very usual in cable, but after this retracement we are gonna make a Fibonacci study over here. Okay, just let me 1 sec. We got about 50% retracement, so we could consider that the downside move, it was still intact. Sorry about that. And if you miss the first entry point, actually this level over here in the trend line violation, in the trend line broke, it was a really good entry point as well. So this was the second entry point for all of you that missed the first entry point. We've got here the 46 level, 00. a lot of times in the European session, the double zero levels is gonna be a place where the pair, where the price action is gonna stop at least for a while. So I decide to make partial profits as well at this level. Even we were approaching the IFO numbers, so it was a really good opportunity for taking partial profits. And I let some profits run, just a tiny position. Okay, so at this level we could catch about 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pips profit. And for all of you that let the other lot run after the IFO numbers, we got over here around this level because we got a very overbought level in the 1 minute chart. This was a really good level as well for partial profit taking. Okay, this actually was IFO numbers. As we can see, the numbers of the reaction spread to cable as well. It wasn't just to euro. Okay, and we can see that the price, it didn't make newer lows and is coming back all the way up. So actually my third lot was stopped out at break-even point. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Have a great day.